Okay, I have to apologize. I've had so many things that have interrupted my sawmill build. This is my Sears lawn tractor that I had determined would use this snowblower. I have a friend in a nearby town who told me that he has his lawnmower on one machine and he has a second machine just for snow blowing. I thought, what the hell, what a great idea. So I scored this Craftsman lawnmower. It's a 21 horse. It's a YT3000, and I really did score it. I bought it for $100. I had the weights, the chains, the snowblower that I scored earlier in the year. I scored the whole unit plus a canopy that you'll see before long. The guy said it wouldn't fit his machine. Well, I do believe that's BS. What he should have said is, I'm not paying the money for the brackets. Here's one of the brackets, right? There's another bracket. There are 4 more brackets that go underneath, and they're expensive. Because Sears is out of business now, Craftsman is out of business now, these things have become terribly expensive. I will make a blueprint for the DIYers who want to make their own brackets, because there's a ton of these snowblowers out there and no brackets available unless you buy them by the piece. Okay, some of the stuff I've got to do is I've ordered idler pulleys. I'm pretty sure the guy got rid of this because he thought the transmission was bad too. Actually what it was is 3 idler pulleys are so damn bad they just make all kinds of racket when you let the clutch out. And also this has the Husqvarna and Craftsman problem that they all have. Toe out so damn bad that the tires go bald. Okay? So that has stalled progress on this project. Sawmill number 2. What I did do over here on sawmill number 2 and the power feed system is I bought a huge battery from a salvage yard. I got these cool battery terminals off of eBay, $7, cheaper than I can get them in town. This thing is about twice as fast on 12 volt as it was on 24 with the same sprocket. I do believe I will hook it up and do a time study and see if I need to change this sprocket to one that is like, I believe this one is 11, it's either a 10 or 11, and I'll see if I need to go to like a 15 or 16. This is coming soon. It is October the 10th in Michigan. It's starting to get cold. I'm doing everything I can to get ready for winter, and here you see it. I am getting ready for winter. I got to get stuff put away. I've been very busy this fall. I've scrapped out 2 industrial welders. I've removed a lot of the stuff out of here. I still got to get a lot of crap off my driveway. Please forgive me. If you have questions, give me a call. Or question me on YouTube. Thank you. Bye-bye.